One of the things you have to be careful about when performing arithmetic in C# is working with mixed data types. For example, if I declare number to be a variable of integer type and assign it the value 1, then if I come around later and try to assign it the value 2.2, you'll see that I get an error message. And the error message reads, "Cannot implicitly convert type double to int. An implicit conversion exists." Now, what that means is that I can convert 2.2 to integer value. The problem is I'll lose some of the precision of the number. So more than likely that's not what I want to do. If I wanted to do that, I could type the following command, like so. Convert .to int 32, and then the number that I want to convert, 2.2. Now let's write the number out, just so we can see what it does. So let's compile and run the program here. And you see that I did lose some precision. It's 2. So while I can perform the explicit conversion using convert, I don't really want to do that unless I don't mind losing the precision of 2.2 to 2. Now, going the other way is not a problem. I get no error messages or anything other than the warning that I haven't used number yet. Because going from a narrow data type, integer, to a wider data type, floating point, there's an implicit conversion that's performed. So that now the actual value of number is 2.0, even though I only assigned it the literal value 2. So it's okay to go from integer to double. You just can't go from double to integer without losing precision. So always be careful about that. And I have one more thing to say about mixing data types. Be very careful with division. So for example, if I write int number equals 2 divided by 3, and then I write out the value of number, the result I'll get is 0, because I'm performing floating point arithmetic division on an integer value, and since all that's left is a fractional part, it can't be stored in integer, so it just prints out the value 0. And though I can't assign number a floating point value, I can perform what will end up being a floating point operation and assign that value to number, but it will again lose precision. It'll only be able to store the 0 part of the number and not the fractional part. So be very, very careful when you're performing mixed data type arithmetic. A lot of times it will backfire on you, and you should always be very careful and very explicit about the types of conversions that you're trying to perform. That wraps up this chapter on arithmetic operations, and so now we're going to move to the exercise, where I'm going to show you how to convert several different types of formulas into C# code.